Hey Dad, can we do a Lego Bowtie hack? Hey folks, we're going to be making this awesome cool bowtie today. So first, we're going to need 2 of these and put them together like that. Lay them down like this. And this is a 2x12. You gotta take a 2x12 or any other long pieces. Put it on. You see it? You can get all these pieces on the LEGO website. They take so long to arrive. And now you have this. You should have this. You can make any color you want, but I'm just using this color right now. Now it's the fun part. We gotta decorate it. You can use helicopter pieces, eyeball pieces, and then other cool stuff that you can find. And now we're gonna speed through this part. And now we can go. Okay?
Okay.
It looks epic. And this is my latest creation. Now we're going to do this. This is going to be the part that we're going to attach it to. I'm going to need a string, and I already did this, but you see the holes? Put the string from the bottom through the hole, and you catch it up here. And then you put it back through the hole right there. I will take this and put it on top. You should have some space right there. And then, now that you have this, you put it on to your black piece. And now you're done. You got your Lego bowtie. And then last but not least, if you want to put it on your neck, you squeeze it and then slide it through the mini hole in the button. And then there you go, you got a Lego bowtie. Take a look at some of my favorite creations. That one's called the Snotty Scott. That's the Aircraft 2.0. That one's called the Frank Sinatra. Helicopter Flip the Blip 2.0. Eyeball 2.0. And you can make it spin, but I prefer to not make it spin. These instructions could make you a very own bowtie, and you can be a Lego bowtie master. Thanks for watching. Hey, Daddy, record it. We're literally like recording the floor right now.